Hazvina kumira zvakanaka military establishment. Shockwaves has been sent. Kuchorokwa kunzi, it is now being called brigadier by brigadier, not brick by brick. Panguva ino kuchorokwa kunzi generals ari kutsakatika. Zvauya kuti zvisende warnings kuna relatives kana anyone ari kuoccupy top positions, kungava aiwa mauto, even retired generals. They are now being warned. Kuri kuno kwakunzi even retired generals ari kutothreatena now the amendments. Now the 2013 will subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tumina paendo ya majarajaros anoposta chiti dead. 1. Brigadier General Jonathan Hungwe. 2. Brigadier General Samuel Pavanga. Number 3. Matthias Chizirai Ngarava. Number 5. Brigadier General Victor Panasekwa. Number 6. Brigadier General Victor Chikudo Rongwani. Number 7. Brigadier General Shadrack Vesha. Number 8. Brigadier General Shadrack G. Davambi. Generals anonkwa kunzi brigadier esa akatsakatika, most of them under unclear circumstances. And yesterday takanzwa again kusikatika kwemwe general. Tona kuti Lin M anoyo again achipinda achiwedzera panawo achiti we cannot support a leader who attempts to position their own spouse or a child as a successor. What exactly have you achieved that warrants an extra 2 years in power? Mnangagwa has done nothing to deserve an extension. His time is up and he needs to step aside. We no longer want him. Please remind him that power belongs to the people. It is the citizens who will vote for the next president, not the yes men you're addressing with the ridiculous bill. A brave community leader in Binga told the truth to Mudenda and his morons promoting their stupid bill on 14-15 March 2026. Doma developments are oboda panachiti no to 2030. Ina comment section medu za fungura imo tulipa msalipo chitu kwa ichi. So subscribe or like chito